Okay, I don't know if anybody can use this information, but the 4th gen 4Runner unexpectedly had the back hatch window blow out. Crazy, huh? So what happened is, me and the wife were out doing some stuff with our daughter. Had to get some stuff out of the rear hatch to open the door, obviously, and then went inside doing our thing. And somebody that's employed there came in and said, "Hey, does anybody have a 4Runner?" And we said, "Yeah, we do." Like, "Yeah, something happened." Come out and find this. And somebody that saw it happen, their son said that they were walking by and it just shattered. Just randomly shattered. Nobody was near it. Nobody was trying to break in. Nothing. So, like I said, I don't know if anybody can use this information, but let's see, this car is 20 years old, has 170,000 miles on it. I think just after time. There's a whole bunch of glass down here too. You guys hear it? Whole bunch of glass down there too. I think just after time and heat cycles, I think it just broke. So we're going to vacuum all this stuff up. Just be careful, alright? Like I said, I don't know if anybody can use this. The rear hatch glass on the Toyota 4Runner just exploded.